Hi everyone, sorry to say that after long time I made the video for UiPath. So today's agenda is that how to represent unread message in dashboard with all the details like date, time and from and body. Depends upon your requirement. You have to choose CC to and attachment each and everything. But here for test purpose, I will take only three: date, from, and bodies. So for that, first we will take get Outlook mail message. So from here we will take get Outlook mail message, drag and drop, and depends upon your requirement. You have to choose mark as a read. If you want mark as a read, you can click here, either not, right? So for that, first we will create one variable, control K v unread mail, right? Okay. After that, you have to take one bill data table where we can store all the data. Okay, so for that, here also we will create one variable, control K and v data table, right? After that, if you required only one mail message, no need to keep for each. If you want multiple data from the mail, you can use loop. So for that, here I will use for each, and here I will mention in part in v unread message, right? After that, we will take three assign where we can keep all the data, right? Okay, so first we will create one variable called v date, right? Item dot header. Actually here header is not there due to type argument. In for each you have to change type argument called system.net.mail.mail message, right? Hope right now we'll get header headers and date, right? After that we will create one more variable for from, right? Item dot from dot to string, right? After that we will create one more variable for v body, right? So for v body we will take item dot body dot to string, right? Right. So suppose I just show you that this is simple mail message which is sending by someone, right? This is forwarded message, see here, forwarded, and this is reply message. See, this is reply message, right? So first we will keep all mark as a unread because we want only unread message. So here we will use add data raw here, And in data table we will mention the data table, and array raw we will use the date form the body, right? Okay, yes, actually here we will use different thing, that's why we will mention the form. Right now you don't get any error. Okay, let me check what we will get. We date, we form, we body, everything is okay. Yes, we will create control K the body, right? So hope right now we won't get any error. Why we will get this error? We date the okay due to a spelling mistake, right? Okay, after that we will, yeah, after that I already saw that we have forwarded message, reply message, and normal message. For that we will check condition. So here we will check condition called item dot subject dot start with re, right? And here we will assign like that. So here we will create control KV the index, right? And here we will mention control K v actual message, right? So here we will mention item dot body, item dot body dot index of form, right? Okay, and here we will mention item dot body dot substring 0 the index, right? So here we will get error due to integer things. Okay, so we will change Again here we will mention v actual, v actual. Okay, v actual, here is that sequence. Okay, v actual that item dot body, item dot body, right, dot to string. Okay, control save. After that we will get add data raw. Okay, so we will use all the data in data table. We will use v data table, and here we will mention, okay, so we will already mention this part here. So let me add here, and after that we will assign for JSON string, right, and for showing that in dashboard we will take create form, right. So create form, we will open form designer, and here we will create all these things whatever requirement. Let me wait. Yeah, so in data we will go in data grid, and here we will drag and drop, and here we will mention unread mail, right, unread mail, unread mail, sell it. After that we will go in basic component text area, and here we will mention date. In field key also we will mention date. Save, and save from here also. Okay, again we will take one more, and here we write from, save, and last for body. Okay, you have to copy this one, unread, copy this one, unread, and you have to mention in create argument, and direction is in and out, data type is data table, and here you create one variable called v, right? Okay, and in input, yeah, so in input you have to mention, right, whatever you copy from dashboard, control V and read mail plus JSON string plus, okay, and here you will mention that JSON convert dot serialization object and vdata table, okay, and save it and just debug. So let me check what will we get output from here in dashboard. Okay, yeah, so here we will get all three mails. Okay, due to little mistake one field is empty, so you can go through this way. This is the best way to present all the data in dashboard. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.